Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to an episode of Train Conductor's World. We're still going strong, guys. Today is the second day where I'm gonna grind in front of you guys. It's better than yesterday because we have built 2 extra tracks, and we just need 2 more alloy tracks to actually reach Belfast. And then the iron tracks over here, it will be not too bad to grab, so that's why I leave them there. Start with grabbing the coins, and we'll start doing the missions. This is also a good way to show off every single area. I'm not gonna show off every single area for the last episode, but can I start with Milan? Pop test. Milan pop test is not easy because there's 2 sides that you need to manage. See? There are 2 sides that you need to manage, so that's why be always vigilant on both sides. Suddenly balloons just pop up and you need to solve them. Pop them. Just like this. Make sure you be vigilant on both sides. You don't want to miss anything. So just like that miss. Just stop these trains as long as you can because they don't have stars. Just stop them. That's a perfect. We only have 19 apparently this time. That's kind of lame. Let's see how much coins that is as soon as you're done with the pop test. Let's do the high wins now. Like Leon, not Lion. Leon. What's this one? Just finish a round? Okay. And pop the balloon, please. That's such a stupid turn. How the hell can that train actually turn like that? Oh gosh, that was close. I know I don't need to get perfect, but that's a fail. That's a number 3 because of that yellow thing. Okay. Go there. Oh gosh, we're so screwed. That was so close. I don't want to crash. Oh, that was close. Go there. Go there. Nice! Very nice! We got our track. And let's see what it is. Hope for an iron on alloy. Screw the ads, man. Scrap the track. Oh, it's a complete garbage. I don't need that. I honestly don't need that. Straight track's completely useless. I don't need it. Damn it. Okay. Amsterdam crash test. Let's do it. I think Amsterdam is actually require you to multi-crash. Yeah, you need to. Side swipe. This one multi-crash, but that one? What do you mean by multi-crash? Is basically you need to have actually a train. Instead of just crashing 2 trains together, you need to actually crash 3 trains together. Which is somehow impossible, so that's what you want to do is some of the trains have to crash on debris. So basically, some of the trains have to crash on debris. So it's like right there, and that train at the back will bump into the debris and crash like that. What do I need? I got everything already. Oh, I miss. Okay, I need a rear end. Let's just get a rear end. There we go. Those 2 will crash together, rear end. You bump into the debris. There we go, bump into the debris. Got that. Okay, this is easy. There we go. That was perfect. And now we do Bruges and London. Bruges, 4,200 points. Long time not sure you guys Bruges, so let's do it. Yesterday I actually tried Bruges for a random mission, and I failed a few times because long time not played this area. Oh, that was close. That was a long one there. What? That was troll. That train didn't go. At the top there, number 1. I almost lost a star because of that. I definitely drawn that ages ago. First try, baby. Boom! 12,000 points. Is that a high score? No, it's not. What's my high score? Oh, 13,000. Okay. London, 25 trains. One of the easiest area, London. That was close. I accidentally clicked on the recording system over here. I don't get why this area is so easy. Oh. There's like nothing you can go wrong with this. Express train. Okay, this is bad. Oh, I just said nothing can go wrong. That was embarrassing. We beat it. And now, daily challenge. Daily challenge, for real. Daily challenge. We'll try 3 to 4 times. Woo! Smooth. That's so many trains there. What is that? Slow train. Another slow train. Oh gosh, hang on. You get up there. There. I also found another strategy for this area, which is swapping strategy. Oh, that crashed. Okay. Which is the swapping strategy. Just swap them. Just swap them more. Move the trains a little bit more, and then you can actually beat it. Okay, this one you're gonna go that way because I don't want you to ruin my day. Okay, you can actually go across. Yeah, just swap more. That's basically a strategy. You go there. You're gonna go here first. Go down. Go here. Okay, this might ruin the whole strategy, actually. Yeah, that ruined the whole strategy. Damn it. Save. Okay, this is bad. Oh, I lost a star. Alright, one last try. If I cannot beat it, we'll just call it quit, because this is impossible to beat. Oh gosh! What the fuck? Alright, you know what? I'm out. We're gonna do a better area instead. A little easier. But this is the second hardest area. This is the second hardest one. The third hardest is Mons. Now the easiest area is probably Berliner. And the next is probably gonna be London. Using the slow train to loop around is just like the worst idea possible. There's another slow train? And then you gotta make it through then. Now for Florence, if you beat it perfectly, you can get like 100 and 200 cargoes. But for this one, if you can beat it perfectly, it's around like 130, 140 cargoes, so it's not too bad still. That's so much trains there, I cannot do that. One last try, and then we'll call it quit. You see, they still give you actually 5 trains in one go. That's not safe at all. Slow train up there. Woo! Safe, no worries. You need to get down right away. That was close. You get back down first. Follow slow train. Get up there. Slow train incoming. Get out of there. Okay, you just hold there, hold there. You see I'm holding 2 trains there, so that's why one of the other strategies is to make use of your fingers. That's also another strategy. That's up there. Damn it! Alright. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and tomorrow I might film another video trying to get more progress over there to Belfast. After Belfast, we're done with this left side. Then we'll finish off this Let's Play with these 4 areas over here. We'll probably start with Warsaw because it looks easier. This doesn't need to do any contraption, just a straight line over from Berlin. So, see you guys next time. Peace!